Hello friends, welcome to the channel Beto pela Escócia. My name is Beto and my wife Michelle and I are building a campervan here in Scotland. Today we came to a beautiful place and we met amazing people. Guys, I also want to say hello to my new friend João Gabriel from Brazil. Olá João, tudo beleza? And for his father, Cristiano. So guys, I hope you guys are safe and enjoy the video today. And see you then. Bye.
Hello guys, come here.
Are you winning?
Yeah.
Hello.
Wow.
Oh, it looks cool.
Yeah, we just mounted it.
And you got it okay?
Yeah. What's your name?
David.
David, sorry.
David Alberto.
Alberto.
Michelle.
Michelle.
Yeah, nice to meet you. Hello guys, we are here in Thurso Beach, Scotland, and it's a amazing place to visit. So guys, when you have opportunity to come to Scotland, come here to Thurso. And for the first time we got a covered garage. It's here.
Hey you.
What are you doing?
I'm just finishing the bed.
Get hungry. Yeah. Come in when you're ready. I'm gonna make tea and some soup. It's gonna take a while though.
Right.
We're gonna put the lentils in it. The lentilla. Lentilla? Yeah.
Lentilha.
Lichia.
Lentilha.
Lichia. We're gonna put the lichia in it. So it has to cook for maybe 40 minutes, 1 hour.
Look at that.
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight, wait tonight. Better off.
Nossa, gente, foi muito bom dormir aqui. Nossa, gente, foi bom, viu? Nossa, super confortável. A gente dormiu ouvindo o som do mar. É excelente, vocês não têm ideia. Mas tá ventando bastante aqui. Agora a gente vai ver. Olha isso, galera. Open the door! Look at that. Olha, gente. Bom dia. Bom dia com alegria. Aí, ó.
Pessoal, eu nunca surfei assim, vestido desse jeito. É tudo emprestado. It's everything borrowed, and I think it's a little bit small for me, or I am not used to that. It's not like 100% comfortable like my wetsuit. And there are the boots and these gloves. Let's see what I can get. No, just here. It's okay. How does it feel? Turn it up.
Leg, and then it takes you Bonner Bridge, and then you go.
We got some tip from Alexander. We cutted some woods and heated the road, promising that we would come back and enjoy a little bit more of this amazing place named Thurso.